pressing, as you can see. Don't press in the upper bodies, that's it. It's well relaxed now. This is the front, then the back. Make sure you press the neckline and the ankle area very well. It's well relaxed now. This is what we got. Let's measure it more. That's 13. So I'm going to be sewing with 0.5 inch bottom, join it to the skirt. But before we do that, we'll take this to our sewing machine and then we'll join like this, lining to lining, lace fabric and bridal satin to lace fabric and join this bridal satin. We are going to be joining like this. Measure the bust and join on both sides. So I'm taking this to my machine, sewing machine, to join. I'll sew straight down, making sure the waist we are using is 33 plus 2 inches for zip allowance, that's 35. So we are going to sew down, taking the waist measurement of 35 before we join to the lower skirt. Now I'm done stitching the sides of the dress, of the bodies. As you can see, this is the back and here's the front. I'm done gathering the two together. I placed the two layers together. Look at the first layer and this is the second layer. I placed them together. I made a gathered stitch. After gathering, I'm going to be placing it on this bridal satin like this. This bridal satin has waist measurements of 35. That's it, 35. So we're going to be gathering these two to match the waist measurement of the bridal satin, which is 35. As I earlier said, the baby's waist is 33 plus zip allowance, which is 2 inch, 1 inch on both sides. So we're going to be dragging these two, make sure they are even. You gather them together to waist 35 and place it on the bridal satin, making sure that the bright shining side is up. This was the piece we cut into a circle and I've added the preloading at the end. This is what we got. This piece is supposed to be used for making the flaunt that we're adding at the front of the dress. So you just stick it anyhow you want it. I'm going to be arranging mine like this to get this kind of wave. So what we will do now is to join into our skirts. Look at the skirts. Take it to our sewing machine and join it like this. Sew it all the way down here. But before we do that, remember we're adding this flaunt to the front area of our skirt. Let me just pin it through so you understand what I'm saying.
Sure.
See what I got after pinning. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine now, and then I'll sew it.
Sure.
I'm done joining our upper body to the skirts. I did the joining with half an inch seam allowance sewn down along the waistline. As you can see, look at our front. It's in front, it's halfway left. This is the front, and this is the back join. I've also attached my lining for the skirt parts. It has outlets attached in it. This is where we get neat finishing inside. So now I'm going to be taking this to my sewing machine, and I'll sew and add a zipper here. When I'm done, I'll show you. When I'm done adding the zipper, I cut out some patch applique from the lace fabric. So I'll be adding the applique. You can add it anyhow you want it. One, I'll be adding mine some at the front and some on the body like this, just to give it a nice finish. So I'll be adding it evenly. When I'm done, I'll show you what I got from it. Firstly, I told you I'll sew this way, add my zipper, and then give it a finishing touch with this applique that was cut out from the fabric. So I'm taking this to my sewing machine now to sew down and add my zipper. This is what you get after sewing the zipper. As I said earlier, you tack here, sew here down together, 2 to 2, bridal satin to bridal satin, and lining to lining. After sewing that, add your zipper. This is what I get. This looks like at the back, and then this is the front. Added the front. That's the front, and then the applique. You can either tack or you can glue. Here I glued and tacked them also. I can sew them also. That the applique. I added some design at the bottom of our dress, all through round. That's in there. This is our dress, the final look of our dress. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and get ready for more of our lovely videos. Thank you for watching.